Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that has been getting a lot of attention lately: social media addiction. With the rise of technology and social media, it has become easier than ever to stay connected to the world around us. So in this video, we are going to explore the signs and dangers of social media addiction, and most importantly, ways to break free from it. Firstly, let's talk about the signs of social media addiction. If you find yourself constantly checking your phone, refreshing your feed, and feeling anxious when you're not able to do so, these may be signs that you're addicted to social media. Another sign is when you feel like you can't go a day without posting something on your social media account, even if it's not necessary. But why is social media addiction dangerous? Well, it can negatively impact your mental health. Scrolling through social media can make you feel like everyone else is living a better life than you, leading to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. It can also lead to sleep deprivation, as many people spend hours on their phones before going to bed. So now that we know the signs and dangers of social media addiction, how can we break free from it? Here are some tips. Set limits on social media usage. For example, you can set a timer for 30 minutes and only use social media during that time. Delete social media apps from your phone. This way you won't be tempted to scroll through your feed every time you have a spare moment. Find other activities that you enjoy. Reading a book, going for a walk, or spending time with friends can all be great alternatives to scrolling through social media. Seek support from friends and family. Let them know that you're trying to break free from social media addiction and ask for their help in holding you accountable. Consider seeking professional help. If you're struggling to break free from social media addiction, consider talking to a therapist who can help you develop healthy habits and coping mechanisms. In conclusion, social media addiction is a real and dangerous problem that affects many people. By recognizing the signs and taking steps to break free from them, we can improve our mental health, strengthen our relationships, and live happier lives. So let's all make an effort to use social media in moderation and prioritize our well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.